Hi, I'm Lewis from Olympus. Today we will cover the inspections of the OER-Elite prior to use by checking the alcohol and detergent levels and checking the disinfectant concentration level. Before using the equipment, be sure to read and understand the details of the instruction manual. As always, please ensure proper protective equipment is worn while maintaining and operating the OER-Elite. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Olympus Technical Assistance Center, otherwise known as TAC, in the event you need additional assistance.
First, inspect the water supply. Please open the water faucet slowly. Inspect the water supply hose and ensure no water is leaking at hose connections and seals. You'll also want to confirm that water or fluid is not leaking from around the base of the unit and inside of the OER-Elite basin. Next, press the power switch to turn on the equipment. Make sure that the power indicator lights up and the touchscreen is displayed. Next, we must confirm that your connecting tubes and leak test air tubes are in good working order. Only use connecting tubes exclusively designed for the OER-Elite. The inspection essentially ensures that the tubes are free of cracks, stains, breaks, or fissures of any kind. Also, be sure to check that there are no cracks in the lock lever and no broken pins on the equipment side connector. Ensure the tube stoppers are fixed as well. You'll notice that each connecting tube is color-coded in order to coincide with the connection of the same color inside of the OER-Elite. Now we're going to go over checking the lid and the lid seal for any deficiencies. First, ensure there are no cracks in the lid. Then, make sure that the hook and hinges do not rattle. Next, check that the packing and O-rings are not detached. Finally, note that the labels on the reprocessing basins are still intact. While the lid is open, let's check the drain port and circulation mesh filters for clogs or damage. If the circulation port and drain port mesh filters are found to have debris, clean it with a brush under running water. Now that the mesh filters are inspected and free of debris, we're going to move into checking and adding detergent solution or alcohol if warranted. You can check the remaining detergent and alcohol levels by utilizing the indicator on the front of the detergent and alcohol drawer. To begin, pull the detergent alcohol drawer out and detach the tube connected to the detergent tank. Then, remove the detergent tank and replace it with a new tank. Ensure that the new connecting cap that comes with the detergent is screwed onto the new tank. Connect the detergent line connector to the cap until it clicks. Finally, set the tube straight so that it is not bent. Close the detergent and alcohol drawer. After replacing the detergent tank, let's review the alcohol replenishment process. Pull the detergent alcohol drawer out and detach the tube connected to the alcohol tank. Then, remove the alcohol tank and place the tank in a sink. Carefully fill the alcohol tank to the specified line with medical grade 70% ethyl or isopropyl alcohol. Be careful not to spill the alcohol. Attach the cap. Once the cap is attached, place the alcohol tank back in the drawer. Push the connector from the alcohol connecting tube until it clicks. Finally, set the tube straight, ensuring it is not bent, and close the drawer. Before starting reprocessing, always use a test strip to check that the disinfectant solution is at an effective concentration according to the test strip instructions. First, open the lid and remove the nozzle cap from the disinfectant solution nozzle. Then, insert the test strip all the way into the disinfectant solution nozzle. Place the test strip on its side on highly absorbent paper, such as a piece of tissue, to absorb any excess solution. Do this within 3 seconds. About 7 seconds after absorbing the excess disinfectant solution, you should be able to determine the efficacy of the solution. The result is passed if the color is blue or black, and fail if there is any white. The disinfectant solution should be replaced if the result fails the check. Now that you've checked the disinfectant efficacy with the test strip, attach the disinfectant solution nozzle cap in the original position on the disinfectant solution nozzle. Next, press the MRC check button on the reprocessing standby screen. Then select the MRC check result, pass or fail. Scan the user ID and press the Save button. Note: perform disinfectant solution mix if the touchscreen indicates that it is required.
Welcome back. This concludes the OER-Elite inspection and preparation. We hope you found the information helpful. As always, don't hesitate to contact our experienced TAC team in the event you need additional assistance. Thanks for watching.